suffering.
My name is Christine, but I go by Gypsy Christine because for the last maybe 20 years I've been traveling, so Gypsy Hobo. So I haven't really introduced myself on my Instagram and my Facebook. So I've been a nudist naturist since 20s, and I've been promoting non-sexual nudity and naturism for the past 9-10 years for free. And I believe in the cause, I'm passionate about it. But now I'm opening OnlyFans, and no, my Gypsy Christine OnlyFans is no sex, no porn, no holes, except my mouth, maybe my nose, my ears, my eyes, but no explicit stuff. And if you want that, you can go somewhere else, which is fine. So, I do dance videos. So I'm going to do OnlyFans naked, but for Instagram and all that, I can't do that. Let's get a song. So yes, I love to dance and I dance naked. I did that a lot in Vimeo. My incense. Ew. So I've been a nudist naturist since 20s, and I've been promoting non-sexual nudity and naturism for the past 9-10 years.
safe